Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumatnikam. I am from BIT. I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from JS Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Waguli, Pune. Today is 21 September and our today's discussion topic is what are the variables which are used in Java programming language. So basically variable, these are the memory locations, name of the memory location which are used in the Java with the data types to identify the memory. Variables are also a container to store the memory data. So these are called as the variables. Variables have three types basically. First one is that instance variable. Second one is that local variable, and third one is that the static variables. So first one is that the local variable. Local variable, the scope of the local variable is inside the method and constructor only, and the scope of the instance variable is inside the class and outside the method. uh, it can be accessible anywhere, rather than the local variable is not accessible in anywhere. And third one is that the static variable. The static variable, which is used in the Java with the static keyword before declaring with any data types. So this is called as the static variable. The static scope of the static variable inside the method, inside the class and inside the method, or the inside the constructor or the blocks with the static keyword. So these are the three various three types of the variables which are used in the Java. So in local variable, no access modifiers are used, only in instance variable and static variables access modifiers are used. Also that local variables are accessible only within the method. Also instance variable are accessible within the class and within the method, within the constructor or within the block. And uh, access modifiers are used in instance variable. In static variables also access modifiers are used. Access modifiers or access specifiers are used. Local variables are stored in the stack memory, as well as the instance variable is stored in heap memory. As well the static variables which stored in the non-heap memory or static memory. So also local variables didn't have the default values as compared to them. Instance variables have the default values like int, boolean, char, or other data types. Also the static variables have also the default values. uh, we can call the local variables within the method only, but we can call instance variables and the static variables by creating the objects. So this is all about the variables. Thank you so much.